Welcome to Know How series part 3. So in this video we're going to learn about moving average conversion divergence, also known as MACD. This is one of the very important and popular tool that's used by traders as well as investors. This is Nifty 50 chart reader, so please like and subscribe to my channel, and this will also help me to motivate and give you guys good videos, training videos in future as well. So in this video, we're gonna learn MACD, what are the parameters, how to use it. Then also we're gonna cover topics for MACD conversions, MACD divergence as well. I will share a couple of my examples, how I do the research and I use MACD for trading as well. And finally, we can conclude, which will help you with your trading journey as well. So in MACD explain, MACD is it's called moving average convergence divergence. That's the full form. It's one of the popular and technical indicator to identify trades in your price analysis. When you add the MACD as a technical tool from your trading platform, the default values are 20, 26, 12, and 9. These are the EMA values, what we call as exponential moving average. MACD, I'm showing at the right side image. As you see, at the top we have price. This is a Nifty 50 daily chart, and at the bottom I've added MACD as an indicator. So MACD consists of three parts. First part is the MACD line. This is usually comes with the color blue or black based on your trading flow. This line is nothing but a subtraction of 12 EMA from 26 EMA. Another part is a signal line. Currently in this image, I'm showing in a red color. This is a 9 EMA line. And then we got the histogram at the zero line. So as you see, it's indicated by green as well as the red. Green usually indicates the histogram is moving, whereas averages are moving up, and the red indicates the averages are falling down. So histogram is our difference between MACD and signal line. So once you add the MACD indicator, what are the simple signs or how we keep the trading simple? So we can fairly say it's a bullish sentiment when the MACD is increasing from left to top. So as you see, MACD is increasing from bottom to the up. And it's one more sign that you guys need to be understanding is when MACD is crossing over the signal line. So I've indicated a couple of examples. So as you see, MACD over here has crossed over 9 EMA signal line and it's moving up. Whereas histogram as well, as you see, is going into green, which is also increasing. Another view of the coin is bearish segment when MACD line is crossing below signal line. So MACD over here, as you see, once it increased throughout May, now is kind of in a falling mode where it has crossed the zero line, that's our red line, and is falling from left to right. This is also supported by the reds or the falling histograms, as you see. So in this particular image, when you dots the line of prices with the MACD, so as you see over here, price is increasing, our MACD is increasing. Then we saw the fall during month of between April and May. This was a sudden fall. Again, MACD has recovered. It crossed our zero line, signal line, and then it started moving up. This is also shown with the prices, which are also increasing from left to right. So these are the simple signals which we can use for our trading decisions. So once we understand what is a MACD, then we can look at a couple of features of MACD. So one of the first feature is MACD conversions. Convergence meaning our MACD line and a zero line, which is our black color over here and red color over here. They are gradually aligning to each other, or we can say the difference between these two DMAs is increasing. So as you see over here, MACD and signal line was falling. Now slowly MACD is coming towards our EMA. So this potential indicates that the existing market trend, whether it's a bullish, bearish, is coming to end, and shortly in future we'll see the reversal of expected trend. So these are just the signs that we have to be notice of, and when you compare with the price action what's going on, this is critical. You as a trader not to take aggressive positions in your portfolio or rather book the profits. So the decisions what you have made in the past is giving you the fruitful profits in your trading. MACD divergence, it's a simple term when MACD forms higher high and higher lows as well, as you see, that exceeds corresponding prices highs or low. So in this image, we can see this is a Reliance chart. As you oversee, during month of April, Reliance is making higher highs, whereas MACD has kind of exhausted and is making low lows. Same during month of March over here as well. It's as you see, Reliance is making low lows, whereas MACD is kind of now showing bullish sentiment and MACD is making high. So when you see these kind of trends means corresponding to price means again MACD is indicating that in future price is gonna kind of in line with your MACD and is also gonna reverse trend. So bullish sentiments, it's MACD forms series of higher highs, which is indicated over here with the corresponding underlying price, that's the Reliance price over here. So we can say this is a bullish sentiment. So in future, as you see, MACD has increased as well as price has jumped from low to high. Whereas bearish sentiments, as given example, Reliance was making high, however, the MACD was falling. In this scenario, don't be aggressive in buying further Reliance just because it has made higher highs. You need to look at the MACD as well. Just be careful. Book your profits if possible and start making possible next moves or next trading decisions based on your MACD. Now we learn what is MACD, what are the simple signals we can use in our trading making decisions. So how I use personally as a MACD. So I always go two-tier approach. So I analyze my trading decision in higher platform that we have already learned in my previous video. So I will look at it. I analyze on weekly time platform and then I trade on daily time platform for my equity trading decisions. So MACD, as you see, I've added the MACD indicator at the bottom. This is my Reliance chart. Uh, Over the year, as you see, Reliance is increasing. It is making higher and highs, as well as you see MACD over here, that line is also making higher and highs. So this gives the decision I made for in a weekly chart saying it's a bullish sentiment that is sufficing me. Uh, Over the next few months, price is still making high rise, Reliance is still making high rise. However, my MACD is now showing signs of exhaustion and is falling. So though the Reliance is making high rise, but my MACD is falling. So over here, me as a equity investor, I won't go aggressive and buy Reliance further. I'll try to start booking my profits uh, and then I will just wait for Reliance to come down. So from weekly, once I did this analysis, so as you see in daily time frames, After these higher highs in the month of October and November, Reliance started falling down. So this is on daily. Again, since I know Reliance is gonna fall, I will kind of hedge my positions with futures and options, buying puts calls. Whereas as an equity investor, I won't go and do aggressive buying. I will wait until I see again on daily chart there is a higher buy was visible. So at the bottom of MACD, when it breach the first uh, kind of a low of Reliance on daily chart, I will start slowly buying and averaging out. So as Reliance is falling, I won't make a purchase in one single shot. I will not deploy all my capital, but I will wait for the signs showing MACD is increasing, it's showing me divergence, and I will try to buy Reliance, average it out in next 3 or 4 steps. So as you see over here, Reliance was dropping and MACD was showing the divergence. After some time, MACD has started showing again the higher up, and Reliance has shooted from low to high, crossing even our SMA of 200 SMA over here as well as 50. So this sign gives when the MACD is dropping, try to patience, not jump and buy any stock in one shot. Just wait for the MACD signs, and in once you MACD start showing you the diversion conversions, start making your decisions over here. So this, if you could have bought the Reliance at particular this averaging out, as you see, Reliance has moved really forward. So this would have given you the nice move and a nice profit in your trading. So in previous slide, we saw how the long-term investor or a trader can buy and sell using the MACD. In this slide, we're going to see how the intraday options traders or intraday trader, how they can use MACD along with the price analysis. So left side, I'm showing the Nifty 50 daily chart, and right side, I'm showing the hourly time frames as well. So on the left side, I will do the analysis, and on the right side, I will do the trading over here. So left side, how to buy and calls, so simple. We don't know the bottoms ever. So based on just the guidance tools, we think that this is going to be bottom and we can start trading accordingly. So usually I use the SMAs to indicate where my price is, where it's a bearish or bullish zone. Then I usually do uptrending, downtrending channels as well, and then take a kind of a view where our price is going up. So over here, it was clearly a falling market. It was making lower and lows, as well as MACD is falling. Stochastic as well, as you see over here, it has came below 30. So in this one, when I see now bottom is happening, it has again come to a kind of lower lows. I will look at the MACD. It has also fallen from top, and stochastic is also below. So over here, I will start making buying a call where I'm now seeing MACD is kind of increasing from it has touched the signal line and it has started moving up. Prices are also moving up, as well as stochastic is also moving up. So this is a one analysis we can say that in near future market is gonna go up. So once these analysis are done on the time frames or hourly minutes time frames, I tend to use MACD just as a tertiary or secondary tool over here because MACD is best to be used in hourly. So same on the hourly, I usually look at prices are fallen. These are at the bottom indicated over here as well using MACD, stochastics as well as prices, and I will slowly start buying the calls over here. So as you see, once I start buying the calls, it's giving me the proper decisions or backing the decisions which I made over here. So that's how we enter, buy, and sell the calls and puts. When to exit? Again, same decision. Once our MACD stochastics is kind of showing sign of exhaustion, and turning from green to red, and slowly start falling as well. Price is at the top, it's meeting the resistance as well, and stochastic is also falling down. So this is a time when you can start slowly booking profits. I tend to again exit in two or three kind of various steps, not exit my position all together in one go. So same with the daily. I look at the hourly, where is the price at the top, and how I can get the best price for my exit. So in previous slides, we have seen how you can use MACD to buy and sell stocks as well as for futures as well. To conclude, you can use price, MACD, stochastics as a guidance tools. Use top-down approach, so analyze on higher time frame and trade on lower time frame. Price is always prime indicator. That's where it gives you sign. MACD stochastics use as a guidance tool to see where trend is coming. So if MACD is in a higher time frame moving upwards, it gives you bullish sentiment, whereas is going downward is a kind of a bearish signal. I personally use MACD as a daily on daily charts because given it's what meant for and default settings, but every trader, every investor, they can adjust the trading indicators as per their scope and type of trading over here. Always open exit positions partially, and I exit over a period of time and not in one go. Given MACD is a kind of a lagging indicator, it might be sometimes gives you unclear, chart and decision. So again, open and exit positions over a period of time and not in one go. As you move with your trading journey, you will, kind of get familiar with this particular approach. Hopefully you like this MACD trading video. So please like and subscribe to Nifty 50 Chartered. We'll try to make more trading videos which will help with your trading journey and make you a successful trader. So again, like and subscribe to Nifty 50 Chartered. Take care, do the simple trading, watch the videos, and all the best. Thanks.